What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over these heated gloves. And if you are a follower of this channel or a long-time follower, then you know that I love protecting myself through the wintertime. I reviewed heaters on this channel. Obviously I reviewed this heated jacket. I love it. I'm in my basement. Actually, it feels kind of comfortable in the basement, so I don't have it on right now, but I do have a heated jacket just in case it gets really cold in the basement. All right, and outside. Well, heated vest. But we are going to go ahead and get into these gloves. And dang, these gloves are huge. Right here, you got your two little power banks. And it's very light, like very, very light. Power banks right here. You have your instruction manual, which is only one piece of paper, but you flip it out and it has all the goodies. Of course, I will show y'all all this right there. This is not technically a power bank. This is actually powered by AA batteries. You would need 4 per each. Slide it down. So we slid it down and there you go. So I will go ahead and find some batteries so I can let y'all know how the heating system is on here. Let me just go ahead and pop this back in. On the back here, it says off, low, and then it looked like high. So that's the volts over there. On the right is the current. So you have slow and fast. So if you want to heat up fast and slow. All right, you guys. So we have heated gloves right here. All right, you guys. So if you are the person that, you know, gets up early, go to work early, it's very cold outside, and your hands get really cold, then heated gloves may be your choice. I'm not sure about motorcyclists. I'm not sure if they have to wear a certain glove or anything, but if you ride a motorcycle and you need some heated gloves, then this might be your choice. And my hand is not really that big. Amazon have their return policy. So if this don't fit your hand, then you know, return it. All right, you guys. So right here, you have your on and off buttons right here. So the on and off is not on. I already call this a power bank, but the on and off is not for your heating box right here. And it has a USB port right here. So what you do is you hook this up to your USB. Well, you may want to take the glove off first. So you hook this up like this or like this. All right. And then you slide it back in your pocket. It's just like the heated socks we just reviewed, you guys. I may make a playlist. I don't know what I'm going to call the playlist. Maybe I'll call it Winter Defense. However I name it, then that's what we call it. But let's see how it feels with the box there. It still feels comfortable, but you do feel the box right there. Maybe they could have made it skinnier. For me, anything that beats the winter chill, then it's a win for me. All right, so we got that. Now let's see the phone test. Oh, well, I use a fingerprint to unlock my phone, you guys, but it is, hold on. Okay, so it works good enough for that. Let me hit the arrow. All right, so as far as the phone test, the gloves is very big. All right, so me personally, I don't get this stuff to use it for my phone. Just to be honest with y'all, even with my my construction gloves and all that, I don't even use that with my phone, but some of y'all may. You can still use it. It works. It does what you needed to do. You can swipe up, swipe down. But as far as probably like texting, typing goes, you probably will still use your hands instead of using it with the gloves. Color temperature, so I will post this up for y'all. So we have red as 131 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. You guys, I'm gonna let y'all know right now, 140 degrees Fahrenheit is very hot. I did that with my heated socks. 131 to 140 is probably what you would need if you're in the snow. I'm more in the green to blue area, maybe even blue area, but the green area is 130 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, and the blue is 100 to 104 Fahrenheit. This is the most important because guess what? Batteries are not cheap, okay? All right, so for red, you have 2 to 3 hours of battery life. This thing does kill your batteries. If you are out like in the mountains or in the, what do you call them? The snow resorts, all that stuff, you are out for 2 to 3 hours, just be prepared to have more AA batteries. Now, if you are somebody like me who wear gloves just to be outside for like, you know, cutting the grass, or you're outside to, you know, be in the snow for like maybe 30 minutes with your kids, or you just going to work. It takes you a few minutes to go to your car, scrape off all the frost and all that. Then the batteries might last you a while because you only have it on and off for a certain amount of time. Just wanted to get that out the way, especially as far as the battery life goes, because that's the most important, because we're working with AA batteries, you guys. We're not working with rechargeable. This is a whole different field. Batteries cost a lot of money. So we need to start looking into rechargeable batteries because they are getting expensive. So expect rechargeable batteries to be reviewed on this channel very soon. All right, other than that, I will get to y'all in the final review to let y'all know how hot this thing gets, how do I like it, and that will be it. So see y'all in a little bit. The heated gloves are amazing. As soon as you put the battery plug in, now I took the I got the other glove here, but I have the battery pack upstairs, so I forgot to bring it down. But anyways, all you do is hook up your battery pack right here and then turn it on fast. It's easier to take the glove off, push the battery pack in like this, and just push it in, then put your zipper on. And now you're ready to use your gloves. Put your gloves on and then hit on right there. You have it on your first bar, second bar, and then third bar. So of course, you know, first bar is the coolest temperature, second bar, and then your third bar is your hottest temperature. You start feeling the heat a little bit. It takes a while for the heat to come in, but you do feel the heat. This is very useful for the morning time for me, you guys. Once again, a lot of times when I go to work, it's cold. When I come off of work, it's cold. All right, especially in the winter time, you can pull this to make it tight. You can loosen it to tighten the gloves. A lot of y'all probably know that already. And you also could tighten the gloves right here with the strap. All right, so there's two ways to tighten the gloves. You can tighten the top part here, tighten the bottom part right there. And you don't really feel the battery pack too much. You can feel it, but it's not like you can still bend your wrists and stuff, and it still feels good. It don't feel like irritating or nothing. For me, now for you, it might feel a little weird, but for me, it feels good. All right, and I do feel the heat coming in, you guys. I feel it coming in now. All right, took about a minute, but it came in. So other than that, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.